Okay, this training, I want to show you how to use Simple Keyword Inspector as well as find out the best way to find the competitor's ASIN and to pull in Simple Keyword Inspector. And what I'm going to start with is our new listing is a aromatherapy or essential oil pendant. So I'm going to put in these keywords. And let's see what comes up. So when you first see this, you're going to see these are sponsored. So we don't want to use these two that you see the word sponsored above. They're placed at the top because they're paying for that location. So we're going to look at the next one. It has 182 reviews, which is good. We like to keep it in, 200 and more reviews, but 182 is good. And it's similar to our product. Same with this one. They're not exact, but they're very, very close. Our product looks more like these trees. But we're looking for the strongest seller in this category that is either the same as our product or very, very, very similar. If it's something that's not, you kind of are questioning if it's not as similar, then we don't want to use it. And you may have to just double check with us before polling it. And we're pretty conservative for using Simple Keyword Inspector. We want to make sure you're pulling the right keywords. So maybe as you're getting started, maybe you show us the ASINs of what you're thinking of pulling and get our approval first. And once we give you the approval, then you can go ahead and pull it. So as I'm kind of going down this page, this has 104. Oh, well, that's a sponsored one, so we're not interested, but that's this one here, 104. It's a little low on the end, but as I come down, I see this one has 347, and it's still on page 1. That's a strong one, but I'm not going to necessarily pull it right away. What I'll do is I'll click on this, and I'll scroll down, and in this product details, it's going to tell me their ranking. And this is really important information here. So they're under 1,000 in these two categories. That's great. Ideally, we want over 250 reviews and under 1,000 or under 500 ideally would be in the BSR. This is 10,000 in the BSR. BSR is bestsellers rank. It's still pretty good. Another way to find out is if you want to download, it's a free software called Jungle Scout. You don't need the Pro, but you could do that actually. Let me go back. So if I come back here and I download the software, it only works in Chrome, but you click on it up here, it's going to show me under essential oil pendants, these keywords, who are the best sellers. So I go in here. This person here is selling, their bestseller rank is 156. That's really good. So I'm very interested in this one. I'm going to click on it. That's our pendant. So we're going to want to pull this person's ASIN. We're going to come over here. Two places you can get it. Either up here at the top, that's the ASIN there, or down here. Sometimes the one in the listing is not the same as what's up here, so I recommend you double check it. Double checking could be as simple as opening a text, new document, and I'm just gonna copy this and I'll paste it in here, and then also copy this one. Actually, I don't want the whole thing. I just want the ASIN. You just double click on the ASIN and it will come up like that. And then paste it in there. You can see it's the same. Sometimes it's not the same. So we know this is it. What we do just to double check it is you can go into all categories or all departments, paste it in here, hit search, the listing comes up. So we know where we're supposed to be with this. Then we're going to go over to Keyword Inspector, and to run a reverse search, you basically click here, put your ASIN number. Now just do one per category or one per unit at this time. We're going to do the extensive 3 credits per ASIN. So that's it. Nothing else. And then start the reverse ASIN search. So now it's in queue, it's running the reverse search. Then what we'll do is we'll go over here to keyword search history, click on it. It will either stay in processing or completed, so it's completed already. Click on completed, and it's right here. This is it. You can just click download to CSV, and then let's open it up here. So it's going to go ahead and it's going to give me all of the keywords that our top competitor, which is this guy, is ranking for. So we're going to use these keywords. We're going to be using these keywords in our listing as well as our back office. But right now, just focus on the listing. The training for the back office I'll do at a later time. But diffuser necklace, essential oil diffuser necklace, oil diffuser necklace, these are the keywords that we're going to want to use. And the key is to try not to use like necklace more than once or essential oil more than once. Maybe it would be aromatherapy. Here's a word, locket, oil pendant. There's different words in here that's what you're going to want to use to build the listing out. I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.